Which animal doesn't belong in the ocean? You can find so many animals in the ocean. Look at all these great creatures. But wait a minute. Some of these don't belong in the ocean. Help me find the animals that don't belong and send them back where they live. Which animal doesn't belong? Whale, starfish, anemone, rhinoceros. Good catch! A rhinoceros doesn't belong in the ocean. What about here? Which animal doesn't belong? Turtle, shark, butterfly, eel. Great job! A butterfly definitely doesn't belong in the ocean. What about here? Which animal doesn't belong? Stingray, fish, monkey, seahorse. Good catch! A monkey doesn't belong in the ocean. What about here? Which animal doesn't belong? Octopus, crab, dolphin, sheep. Great work! A sheep doesn't belong in the ocean. Great job identifying the animals and sending them back to their homes. And thanks for watching!